What's good? What's good? And welcome back to Investing with Jack. So I wanted to talk about BitTorrent. Very similar chart to Wink. They're all in the Tron ecosystem. Also a little bit of juicy updates on the BitTorrent Twitter, and we'll do the technical analysis. The reason I'm not doing my monthly price predictions, I'd like to wait for BTC to correct because I need the master energies to continue the uptrend to do my predictions. All right, guys, always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I know I don't always say that. I'm just a young guy from Canada, so please do your own research before investing into any coin. So we're down almost 17% on the week. You can see here the market cap is 4.49 billion, 24-hour volume 810 million, which is of course down, and the circulating supply 659 billion coins of BTT. So I'll read one sentence. I'm not going to do the website because all you guys are already familiar, and if you're not, please check it out on your own. BTT is a cryptocurrency that powers BitTorrent. BitTorrent allows content creators to connect with their audience, earn and spend digital currency without a middleman. So basically a downloading, just like back in the day when we used to download with Pirate Bay and uTorrent and stuff like that. All right, guys, so we'll head over to the Twitter. So we can see, despite his controversial approach and limited technology abilities, Justin Sun has managed to position himself as one of the most successful individuals in the blockchain. All right, guys. So of course, Justin Sun owns Tron, Wink, BTT. He is the CEO. So that's great. You want to see that kind of thing. You know, I'm an optimist, so I want to know that the man who's running the business is doing well for himself. And as we can see, he's one of the most successful individuals in blockchain. So don't sleep on BTT. So we can see here fighting against the trend. We are going through the correction. However, BTT is up 46%, even more in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to pop into that. And it's still trending, guys. So BTT ranked as top 14 trending coin on CoinGecko. So still a ton of interest, obviously, in BTT. But we'll hop over and I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. So in the last... Whoa, I'm going to quickly close the RSI. In the last BitTorrent video, we had this flag pattern here, bull pennant, symmetrical wedge, and we broke down. We sold off majorly. Let's look at how much this sell-off was. So if we go down to the bottom of this wick, we basically sold off 42%. Over the course of a day or two, which is just nasty. But of course the market corrected, so that kind of thing's going to happen. Now if we look here, well, we made a bottom at about 0.005, and then we had some absolutely massive buying action. If we do the measurement up to the top of this green candle, you're looking at like basically 50% buying action from that bottom. And if we were to do it all the way from the absolute low that we kind of spiked down to at about 0.004, nope, come on, man. I think we're looking at about like 100% almost. Yeah, 85% climb back up. So there's still a lot of buying action with BitTorrent. We still have a lot of bulls. Obviously you have your day traders, you have your swing traders who are making money while the market's correcting. So I'm happy for you guys, but it's very similar to Wink, where I talked about Wink having the 200 EMA catch up to it and bouncing off the 200 EMA. It's basically identical. So what we want to see, as I talked about in Wink, is for the 20 EMA and for the 50 EMA here on the 4-hour chart to come back underneath the candles and to use them as support. Like you can see here, if we look back when Wink really started to take off, you can see we used the 20 EMA as support. So this is really healthy, guys. This is what we want to see. High highs, higher lows, bouncing up to 20 EMA. 50 EMA is right there. And then we just got super overextended and we completely sold off. So it's healthy, as I mentioned, with Wink. For the coins to be doing this, for BTT, for Tron, for Wink to be correcting like this. Obviously, if BTC was still pumping, these coins would correct a lot faster. But I'm almost happier to see this because it gives an opportunity for Wink, for BTT, to have healthier charts, higher highs and higher lows, and hopefully not have huge pumps, which are followed by, you know, major sell-offs, right? So if you bought in up here and you didn't set your stop limit, or you're like, no, I'm holding, it's been a hard ride down, but I kind of want to reassure you that it's healthy to see this. And if we bump it up to the 1 day, we're going to see here that we're coming down to the 50 EMA on the 1 day. So it's healthy, guys. If we start to bounce off the 50 EMA and we start to trade sideways, of course, if BTT corrects more, as I said in the Wink video, we could start to fall down. If BTT corrects to 44,000, we could definitely come down to about 0.004. We could correct further. You can see here a level of resistance at 0.003. And we have some support here at 0.005. If we're forming a bit of a bull pendant, as you can see here, very similar, almost like identical with Wink. A little bit of a wedge here. So we squeeze and we squeeze, and hopefully we start trending upwards. But of course, what I've been saying with BTC, we might see further correction, and then we can come down to these levels, 0.005 or down to 0.004. Like if BTC were to sell off to 40K, well, you know, we can come all the way down to 0.003. Hopefully we don't see that, but this is part of the game, right? This is part of the crypto journey. It's a crazy ride. It's not for the faint of heart. There's going to be massive swings and massive corrections, and we're going through one right now. But always zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out for your coins, and zoom out for Bitcoin as well. And you can see if I zoom out here with Bitcoin, we've had these corrections in the past, right? So correction, and we're going through a pretty decent one right now. But the bull run is not over, in my humble opinion. We're sitting about 32 for BTC on the RSI, so I think we got a lot of room to go. Maybe I'll go deeper into that into another BTC video. But if you've been watching, I guess you guys probably don't just watch me. You probably watch other crypto videos like BitBoy and stuff like that, and you can kind of watch their videos and see what they're saying about the bull run as well. Obviously, I just kind of go over the technical analysis from the week or from the day, from the 4-hour chart, to see what I can see. But it's always really important to zoom out and look months behind with BTC, and you'll get an idea of where we're going to go in the future. All right, guys. I know there's a lot of newbies to crypto. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. It goes a long way to help the algorithm. Leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on BitTorrent. You still holding? Are you worried? Are you excited for the next upswing? Do you think the bull run is over? Let me know your thoughts. All right, guys. Follow me on Instagram. You can check out the Discord through the Patreon link, over 1,000 members. And you can follow me on Twitter. I'm probably going to go downstairs and have a little bit of food. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love. Take care.